Show that the square root of 2 pi over 24 is less than or equal to the definite integral from pi over 6 to pi over 4 of cosine of x dx, less than or equal to the square root of 3 pi over 24. As of now, we do not know how to evaluate this integral, but we can use the inequalities of the definite integral, which states that if the function f of x is between little m and capital M, lowercase m being the lower bound and the uppercase m being the upper bound, then the integral from a to b of f of x dx is less than or equal to m times b minus a, and this integral will be greater than or equal to little m times b minus a. To use this inequality, we just simply need to find out whether f of x equal cosine of x has a lower bound m or the upper bound m on the interval pi over 6 to pi over 4. From the graph of cosine of x, we see that the function cosine of x is decreasing on the interval pi over 6 to pi over 4. And so f of pi over 6 is greater than f of pi over 4. But f of pi over 6 is cosine of pi over 6. Cosine of pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. And f of pi over 4 is cosine of pi over 4. Cosine of pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. And so we can say that cosine of x is between root 2 over 2 and root 3 over 2. And to be safe, we use less than or equals. With this inequality, we can apply the inequality that we mentioned earlier. The integral of cosine of x dx going from pi over 6 to pi over 4 is less than or equal to root 3 over 2 being the upper bound times b minus a. b is pi over 4 and a is pi over 6 in this case. This integral is also greater than root 2 over 2 times pi over 4 minus pi over 6. Simplifying this, we have root 2 over 2 times the common denominator is 24. In the numerator, we have 6 pi minus 4 pi, which is 2 pi. And this is less than or equal to the integral from pi over 6 to pi over 4 cosine of x dx. We're not doing anything to this integral. And then we simplify the last part, which is also 2 pi over 24. Simplifying this further, we see that 2 and 2 canceled out. The left part is root 2 over 24 pi, less than or equal to the definite integral from pi over 6 to pi over 4 of cosine of x dx, less than or equal to root 3 over 24 pi. And this is exactly what we asked to show.